Today is install day. I already took this off, don't worry about it. Today's projects are 1, 2, turn light, because I forgot the name for like half a second, and Fender Eliminator. The exhaust, 3. The lights, 4. I ain't even go in order. So it's really 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing that last. All right, first, we have the stealth mirrors. Hold on. Rule number 1. Keep track of all your screws, because you're gonna need them. Boom. This is dirty as fuck. I mean, this is how it looks off the mirror. Let me take the second mirror off. Mirrors are done. The mirrors are done. I'm about to get started on these. Got the plate holder and tail light. On my tail light. Yep. Just found out I had to remove the whole fucking seat. Fucking battery. Yo. The battery. Now that we've removed 1 and 2, gotta remove 1, 2, 3, 4, and remove these. Sun's out. Clearly the buns is out.
Oh, brother!
We gonna keep removing. We got the things in the box. They're all out, just waiting to be put back on. I'm low-key heartbroken. Not heartbroken because it's off. Heartbroken because I gotta put it back on. I'm good at taking things apart, but the reassembly, I have not. So I've taken these off. I know that this comes out easily, but people have posted YouTube tutorials, so we follow those YouTube tutorials, because this has to come out. I'm sure it has to come out before I do anything with it. So now that I've got these washers off, these screws and washers, nuts and bolts, I have to get to this thing. This is the turn signal and brake light, the actual thing. That's what the guy said. All right, no, don't quote me. I'm not no fucking electrician. But we pull this and then disconnect the cable. I have giant hands. Stop doing that. Anyway, these right here are the turn signal lights. Just gotta remove these 2 cables. Hold on. Now that I've got this part off, we're gonna move on to this, just because we gotta do this at the same time, because we don't wanna put all this back on and then be like, oh wait, I forgot to do this long piece of shit. And started playing music. After like 15 minutes, I finally got it. Get the fuck out. Get out. Ooh. I don't want to break this tail light, just in case I ever, can sell it for like $10. Or if a friend needs a, backup tail light. Hell, if I need a backup tail light, I can always just use this one. Yes, put these side by side. the dingy, dirty, no, I'm playing. We got the smoked out turn signal integrated one, and then we have the old one. Clear, and I mean, honestly, there's not much of a difference, but boom. They actually look the same. They actually are the same. That's crazy. Now that we've got this down, hanging low, dropping ass.
What?
Remove this. And I'm about to put this back on. We'll put this one on. Look at the difference. I don't even... This is the size difference between the old and the new. Like, ew. But I'm gonna put this back on, and then after I get this on, it's mirror time. Don't know how I'm gonna do that because if you can see those wires down there, don't have like any links to them, so connect them in here. So I don't know exactly, how I'm going to get that done. But hopefully I'm in the return period. We'll see. We got the tail light on and the turn signal. Oh my God, it looks so much cleaner now. You could probably hear the smile. Anyways, man, you could definitely hear the smile. Don't do this unless you're not a professional like me. I didn't see a tutorial telling me not to do it, so of course I did it. Turn my bike on just to make sure this worked. Let me turn on turn signals. Yep, that's what I thought. Yep, so these two yellow wires need to go in there. That's not possible. That's not possible. So I'm either returning it or I'm figuring it out, or I don't care. Returning it, figuring it out, or I don't care. I'm gonna go from there. Bars. All right. Yeah, I got both on. Those aren't gonna work. I did try to Google search as best as I could just to see what I could do or what I could buy instead of just returning that. But it's getting returned. Yeah, it's getting returned. There's nothing else I can say about that. I mean, those don't work. There's no connectors I can get for them. There probably is, but like I said, not an electrician. Nope. I'm not about to strip wires or anything just to try. Cause no. I mess up one thing with my bike, this turns to a free installation to a fucking $1,000 service fee. Like, fuck no. So I'm leaving it in just for the sake of the video, but I'm reassembling the bike.